Welcome back, guys. My name is Devin.
I'm Emily.
This is my wife. So today we are going to go over to my in-laws, her parents, and we're going to do some work on their Jeep Wrangler JK. They have an altitude edition. I want to say it's a 2014, something along those lines. But they have purchased a new Havoc rear bumper with a tire carrier. We're going to do a full tutorial. We're going to take off the stock bumper and we're going to install the new bumper, and we're going to take you guys along. Emily's going to get behind the camera finally, and we're going to be doing some wrenching.
Okay, so we are here in the garage and we are going to unbox the bumper. So stay tuned while we do that.
So we're here in the shop. As Emily stated, we went ahead and unboxed everything. Everything unpackaged. And now we're standing in front of the Jeep here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So it's a 2015. It's a Jeep Wrangler JK Altitude Edition. It is sitting on 3 inches of lift with 35-inch tires. And like I stated earlier, we're installing the Havoc rear bumper with tire carrier, and as you saw, she also has a high lift, the Patriot Edition high lift jack, and we're going to be installing that onto the bumper as well. So if you guys can follow with me, so we're going to start by disassembling, taking the tire off of the factory tire carrier, and then we're going to take the bumper off, and we're going to get ready for the new bumper to get installed, and we'll document the whole thing. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're outside now. As you guys saw, we had a time lapse. I'm not sure how far along we got of that. It actually did end up cutting out short. But anyways, we got the factory bumper off now. Included like 16, 18 millimeter bolts. Got them all zipped out. So now they want to utilize the factory hitch. So what they call for is we got to zip off these nuts that are welded on here, and that's what we're going to do now. So we'll zip these off, and then we should utilize this factory hitch by slide it back where it was, and then the bumper mounts, clamps it on and mounts like it was before. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started by cutting the nuts off. So we went ahead and cut those nuts off of them, and we grinded them down nice and flat, and we sprayed it with some spray paint to prevent from any rust forming. So now we're going to go ahead and mock fit the new bumper onto the Jeep. So we got the new rear bumper, Havoc rear bumper put on. It's fully installed, everything's bolted up, everything's torqued down. Now we've come back to our little workbench here, and we're going to go ahead and start mounting up the swing out tire carrier. We're going to do the plate that goes onto the back of the tailgate to hold the heim joint, because the way this bumper works is it's like it all works together. When you open up the rear tailgate, it all swings open. It's just one latch, which is really nice. So it requires a new plate that has the heim joints, and it's all in one motion, opens up. So we're going to go ahead and work on getting that installed, which includes packing the bearings with grease, putting the heim joints on, and I think that's it. There's a lot of pieces here, so just follow us along and we'll keep on getting after it.
Let's see. What are we using here? Some Valvoline. Is that how you say it? Valvoline?
Valvoline.
Valvoline? I wonder when this can was made.
Older than me.
Oh yeah.
Or okay, hang tight.
She's in there.
Is it greasy? Close it.
Oh, you stupid thing. That.
Back hatch is rubbing
On the bumper.
on the bumper.
So we're gonna drop the bumper down a little bit.
So now we gotta loosen everything up and drop the bumper down. So a little bit of a pickup, but that's okay. We will get it. So we had a minor setback, but we fixed it, right?
Yeah, just a little adjustment and you can get back up to speed where we were.
Now we're continuing with this tire carrier.
No.
Now we are currently installing the high lift jack. I just hit the old tire carrier with my toe. How's it going? This is a long night. Devin, any update?
Slowly but surely getting it. Got the high lift for the Roush Creek trails. So as you guys can see, we have the swing out tire carrier put on. We have the tire carrier holder itself put on. We also have this awesome Patriot Edition high lift jack installed. So now we're pretty much wrapped up with everything. We're gonna put the spare tire back on and bolt everything up and make sure everything's tight, and we're gonna call it a night. Up. It is pretty late in the evening, but as you can see, we have the bumper installed, the tire carrier installed, we have the high lift mount installed, so everything is buttoned up. We're wrapping up for the evening, so I'll show you how it opens up and everything. So it's, like I said before, it's a single, latch mechanism, so open one thing and it all opens, which I really like. So as you can see, it's got little hind joints here and opens real smooth, shuts real smooth. There's that. So if you guys like this video, let us know in the comments. If you want to see more of this Jeep, let us know in the comments as well. But please hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button. We really appreciate it. But stay tuned for more content, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.